Hey, what's going on, all Legendary Marketer affiliates, current affiliates, and future affiliates? Welcome to the Becoming Legendary channel. This channel is dedicated to helping you make more money online with the Legendary Marketer program. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notifications. But something really cool today that I want to share with you is a brand new affiliate program structure. I was just in the Legendary Marketer Affiliates Facebook group watching this video that was just put out by Dave Sharp, and he mentioned that they completely revamped quite a few things in order to bring better education to y'all who are out there trying to earn your digital dollars with the Legendary Marketer program, but also to help better support the affiliates. So that's what we're going to look at right now. This is brand new. This is the updated affiliate commission payout structure chart. Now, some really cool things I want to highlight here. First of all, if we look on the commission section here, this has grown in size. And what I mean by that is the amount of offers that are available in this column has increased. They've added more products to the back end, to the value ladder. And what that does for you as an affiliate is that gives you more opportunities to earn from each customer that you refer. Some other things they did, which Dave talked about in that video, is they've bumped up the amount they're paying. They restructured some of their high ticket offers down here to increase the conversions, but also to increase the amount of money that they are actually paying you. What you're going to see down here is this business blueprint with coaching. First, this is an awesome opportunity for you to offer your customers, because nothing's going to help them or you move the needle further or faster than actually getting coaching from an 8-figure marketer like Dave Sharp. However, if we do the math here, let's just go ahead and pull up a calculator. You can see that pays a $28.50 commission. And if we divide that into the $9,500 cost, what you can see here is that's a 30% commission that you're getting now. It used to be a 20% commission, but now you're getting a 30% commission on these high back-end, high ticket offers. And because of the way they're structured, from my point of view, it looks like they're going to start converting much better. Some other things that they instituted, they just launched Traffic University, which is a brand new restructured program. You can see this costs $14.97. That's an incredible investment if you want to learn how to drive more traffic, because let's be honest, the traffic aspect of the affiliate marketing business is where most people struggle. But the cool thing is not only is that a great offer, it also earns you a $598 commission. So I anticipate that offer is going to convert very well, meaning I'm seeing a really good opportunity to not only earn these $28.50 commissions. Of course, these $1,000 commissions convert really well, but the one I'm really most excited about is this one right here, because once again, it's such a great offer, and those $600 commissions will really help increase the overall earning potential. So guys, if you're not in the Legendary Marketer program with this new update I just found out about this today, March 21st, what you can see here is this is becoming a much better program, even better than it used to be. And that's great, because this is probably, in my opinion, the easiest way for beginners to get started and actually start seeing some of these potential big high ticket commissions down here. Because it sure is nice if you string a few of these $18 ones together, but when you start seeing these pop up in your inbox, guys, that changes everything. So if you're not part of the Legendary Marketer program yet, go ahead and check out the first link in the description below. Go over to my15daychallenge.com and you can learn more about this program, how you can get involved with these programs and earn these types of commissions, and how you can copy my website into your ClickFunnels account. So lots of good stuff there. Just wanted to share this and update y'all. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We'll see y'all very soon. Have a great day.